Hey guys, when you're living with Livy, you're always getting something fresh out of the kitchen. And today, we're going to be making crepes. So, it's not the normal recipe that I usually have, but because we don't have milk. But we're using water because there's water in the recipe anyway. So, it's normally half milk, half water, but we're only using a cup of water today. Now, we have flour also. 1 cup AP flour, or you can call it all-purpose flour. Then you have 2 pinches of salt. Then you have 2 tablespoons of butter. Make sure it's melted all the way until it turns to a liquid. Then we have the eggs.
And they're fresh from the chicken's pump. And look how cute this little egg holder is that our brother made from his 3D printer.
Okay, now let's get started. So first, of course, we need a bowl and a whisk, because I'll be able to do that. So I'm going to start with the flour. Put that in. Do you want to put that in for me?
Sure.
Be careful.
The 1 cup of water.
Okay, good. There we go. That looks weird. Cool. I'll do the milk, the butter. That's so good. Just dump it right in.
2 pinches of salt.
Or just dump it in. Okay. I'll crack one in. Just put them in here.
And I'll crack the other.
Good. Get us 2 napkins, please.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay. Now I'm gonna whisk it up. It's always good to beat up the egg first, and don't worry about the other stuff. And then mix it around the edges. Then see how that the flour's on one side? If that ever happens, just push it to the middle. And then after all the flour is in the middle, keep on pushing, going under and over.
Folding.
Yeah, but liquid kind of. And
yeah.
until it turns to a very liquidy batter. Because we're making crepes today, and we want it to be flat.
Yeah.
Pancakes, another story.
We love them puffy, but
yeah, but crepes, they have to be float. Or else they'll be crispy for some reason. I don't know why, but it just is. It's so weird. I don't know. I don't know the rules of physics. Why did I say that?
I don't know.
Science.
We're making 2 different types of crepes. I mean,
no,
2 different flavor crepes.
Yeah, I'm gonna put eggs in mine. She's gonna do chocolate covered strawberries in hers.
Yeah.
Yeah, we made them yesterday.
Plus, our brother doesn't really like eggs, so he's also getting chocolate covered strawberries.
Yeah. For some reason, he doesn't like strawberries plain, but he likes chocolate covered strawberries. Probably because he loves chocolate. So the sweetness makes the strawberries less sour.
Yeah.
Probably.
And you want to mix the batter until it's really not as like.
See how it's like that? It's still not good. You might think it is, but
and if there's like flour on the edges of the bowl, you just scrape it off with the whisk.
Even though we don't have it on the edges, I was just showing you because I'm a good cook, like my sister always says. Yeah, but
that's so cute.
Yeah, it's actually really lightweight because it's like made of plastic, but like it's the best thing ever. Like I don't know how my brother made it like perfectly. Like it's crazy. It's so good. Like it's way easier to cook now because of that thing. Because eggs one time rolled off, and the egg rolled off the table when I was cooking pancakes. And believe it or not, it fell in my hand and cracked. So this thing is really easy.
How's the batter coming?
Decent. It's like this looks like hard, but it's kind of like butt filling.
Oh. Wait, there's some more flour right there.
Oh yeah, right. It's big chunky chunk. Then whenever there's still chunks, but it's all mixed, just slap it. Not slap it, but like
hit it.
Hit it with the whisk. Make sure it's the top of the whisk, not the side. Always good to have a helper in the kitchen.
You gotta make sure you whisk it extra good, or else
It might be a little too clumpy to have a crepe. Yeah.
But pancakes, that's kind of okay.
Yeah, because they're gonna be fluffy anyway, so it doesn't really matter. It'll just be bubbly and airy and moist. That's a whole good thing.
Yeah.
Oh no, I'm starting to get pins and needles.
But crêpes.
Another story. Yeah, okay. Now we'll see you right at the stove. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna try this again. First attempt, burnt the pan. So hopefully this time I don't, and I'm probably not gonna. Let's see. Good idea, okay? Okay, now that I have 1/4 of a cup of the batter, we pour it straight in the middle. Hear that sizzle? Yeah, now we have to go straight from that really fast. Hurry up. And then just, yeah, or else it's going to be a pancake, a not really good tasting pancake. Okay, now it's like that, see? Just put it down, let it cook for like a couple seconds. Crepes are so fast to make. Like, say like you're in a hurry, but you want something really yummy for anything in the world that you want to eat with it. Crepes, the best thing in the world to have, because you can have anything. It's endless to eat.
They have less ingredients than pancakes, right?
There's literally 5 ingredients in crepes.
Oh yeah.
Okay, now see that it's starting to like have a crust on the outside? That's when you want to take your tongs and start to peel it. Oh gosh, it's too hot. Okay, there we go. That's better.
Smelling really good.
Then you just flip it.
Ooh, look how good that is.
Ooh. Always good to do that. Lock them so that they don't go flying everywhere. You know. And this is not normal, but oh, it's because we used water. We used water, so it turned out to be like that. But okay, we're fine.
It kind of looks like a taco.
Oh, it does.
Folded.
Yeah, because that was ready. Or not. Yeah, it's ready. Okay, can you give me a pancake? A plate?
Yeah. I'll get a bigger
Oh.
I'll
No!
get a bigger one afterwards.
Okay.
But it looks like a taco shell.
Yeah.
I
Think I caught it?
thin. Good smelling taco shell.
Thank God I caught it.
Yeah. Let's try
Wow,
it.
that's good.
That is really good.
Okay. We'll be right back with a lot more. So we have our crepes now, and I have my omelet, and I have the mozzarella that is made for my papa. It's nice, fresh, and the best.
And I have some leftover chocolate covered strawberries we made for our cafe that we created in our living room yesterday. So I'm going to be putting these in my crepe.
That was so much fun. Yeah. But one time I tried it and I love it together. Like omelets with eggs. Eggs with with the crepes, they taste so good.
And after the first few crepes,
These came out amazing. So water does work good with them. Yeah.
Just as good as milk.
It was probably what I said was wrong because, you know, I said that water wouldn't work, but it actually does. You know? So let's try it.
I'm putting some of these strawberries.
Oh, how do I fold this? This is the thick omelet. Let me try it. Oh, can I have ketchup, please? That is so good. Yum.
I put too many strawberries in this.
I'm almost done. Mine is so good.
That is so good. If you like this video, please like and subscribe below. Bye!